Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? Savage Tech in the building. Today we're gonna look at a Sequre. It's an ES-126 Smart Screwdriver. Take a scan at that code, you can go straight to the website. Yes, sir. I picked this up on Amazon for $110. I knew I was gonna be removing a whole bunch of screws, and I usually have my DeWalt, but I wanted something a little lighter on the hands, so I picked this up. Anyway, here we got the operation manual. Got a couple of different languages, some graphics, whatever. It tells you what everything does, the button does, and stuff like that. And it could have been a little bit more clearer, but this is what we got. This is what we're working with. There you got a sticker. Sequre sticker. So we have a USB, looks like a USB-C to USB-A. Yeah, wish there was a USB-C to USB-C, but you know. See what else we got in the box before we get to the good stuff. Alright, this should be the bits that come with it. That bad baby open. Yes, plastic, cheap plastic. Yeah, I feel like if I drop it, it'll just burst. Got an extra bit floating around. Looks nice though. I wish they would have had a compartment for the screwdriver itself. This is a manual driver. Solid metal. Looks nice. Yeah. Spinning on the end, feels pretty good. Feels solid. Let's stick a bit up in there and see how it feels. Pop it in. It's okay. All right. Now this baby right here looks sweet, and it's kind of heavy in my hand. Feels nice, stainless steel. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't look cheap either. Gonna put this baby through the test. Now I'll update in the comments what I come up with. So if you hit the button, the bottom button, you hold it, turn it in the direction that you want, left or right, it goes up and down. Hit the button 4 times, you get into your settings. Okay, screw set. Hit it 5 times. Either button, then it's your active setting. So you have max, mid, and minimum. You can hit either one of those buttons and it'll do it. And that just pops right in. Like I said, the bottom button, if you push it and turn it either way, it goes the other way. The top button is for your LED. Same function. Turn the way you want to, and it'll turn it. This also automatically stops once the screw gets to its depth. Nice. Like I say, I'm gonna put this thing through the test, and say you're supposed to get like 60 minutes of battery life out of it. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we can get that Savage Tech in the building. Leave your comments below. Sub, like,